If you are like most creators, you want the best quality without breaking the bank, right? And here's the good news: the free version of CapCut, yes, the old CapCut already gives you so much power to create stunning professional looking videos. The new ones are just apps that are created behind firewalls or paywalls. CapCut wants us to pay for everything. But think about it: with the free old version of CapCut, you already have access to the powerful tools like keyframe animation, chroma key for green screens, speed ramping, even audio effect filters, so much more that are not available in the new update of CapCut, which they are putting behind the paywall and calling it CapCut Pro. And guess what? They don't require a single cent from you. So it's already available, but they are blocking it due to their update. But with this version, you will be able to access each and everything you want. And when you check through my content or my videos, you can see on the screen right now that some of the filters that are supposed to be behind firewall is free to use, and that is because I'm using the version 3.90 of CapCut. Yes, 3.90 of CapCut, which I got from a site which I'll be dropping in the link below. If you don't want to and you want the latest version, but you want like all the apps free, you can try out this particular website here. So with that one, you'll be able to get the latest version while having the pro features. Yeah, so that's how it basically works. So try it out and let me know how it goes, guys.